Hello, everyone. My name is Amrin, and today we'll be studying the module Starting a Business and Fundamental of Marketing. Module code is BMM3013. This is week 2. And what we are going to learn today or cover today would be the learning outcome of this session is to demonstrate the ability to discuss content relating to the principle of marketing and applying these to real world case scenario. All right. And the end of the session, you will be able to understand what are the useful framework theories to analyze internal and external environment, sorry. Identify different factor using theories and frameworks, apply in real life situation. So when it comes to the internal and external, so when it comes to the internal would be strength and weakness, and the external opportunity and threat. So this is like the SWOT analysis. This is the analysis once you start a business, and when you are planning to start a business, you should have done some kind of analysis to check if your business would go well or not. So this is called the analysis is called the SWOT analysis. This is SWOT is an acronym. S stand for strength, W stands for weakness, O for opportunity, and T for threat. So all these SWOT means the analysis before starting your business. If you are planning to start a business, you should done these analysis. So it will help you to establish your business well, and it will help you to grow your business as well. So when it comes to the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat, so we'll discuss these points here now today. Okay. Okay. So there's a one video to understand SWOT analysis. We'll check this video in the class. And for now, let me explain you what is SWOT analysis. So as I just told you, SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. The finding of the internal audit of critical organization, strength, and weaknesses, and the external audit of the opportunities and threats facing the company. So strength, here the strength and weaknesses would be the internal audit, means inside your business, inside your company, inside your organization, you can check the strength and weaknesses. You can analyze strength and weaknesses. And when it comes to the opportunity and threat, you have to check, you have to analyze, you have to audit the external environment. External audit will be there to check the opportunities and threat, containing a wealth of data of different importance and reliability. Show where a business should focus its attention. It will help you to show where your business should be, where it should focus, and all those small things that will help you to develop or set up your business. And when it comes to the different analysis, means these four parts, how you can explain. So first would be the strength. What does your organization do better than others? Strength, by its names as well, it shows the power, the strength. Whatever is your business, whatever is your plan, what all are your strength to start to establish your business? What are your strength that would help you grow in your business? So that you need to keep in mind. You have to analyze. So it would cover the what are your unique selling points. If you are selling something, if you are planning to start a business, what are you selling? That would be your strength. What do your competitors and customers in your market perceive as your strength? What all other things? What is your organization competitive edges? That all things will be your strength. And when it comes to the opportunity, what political, economical, social, culture, or technology changes are taking place that could be favorable to you? And this again is another analysis called pest analysis that will help you to check the opportunities outside the market, outside what is going on. Means P stands for political factors. You can check the political factors, what is going outside that would affect your business. uh, E stands for economic, what all economic factors are there. S stands for social culture, social cultural, the factors which could affect your business. And T means technology, means what all new technologies are coming in the market, what all technologies are there outside which you can use to improve your business. So this is the best analysis you can done to check the opportunities outside for your business. Next would be, what are the current gaps in the market or unfulfilled demands? I mean, if there are some kind of gaps in the market, if you know what kind of gaps are there, you can fill those gaps and fulfill those demands of your customers, and then that would help you to grow in your business, right? Next would be, what new innovation could your organization bring to the market? If you do some innovative work, if you apply some innovative ideas to your business, it will help your organization to to excel in the market. It could your organization bring to the market. So whatever new innovation you can do to improve your business, you can do it. That would all would come inside the opportunities. And when it comes to the weakness, it is always very, very important to know about the weaknesses. Unless you know your weaknesses, how would you rectify them? And how would you improve with your weaknesses? How would you change it? So for that as well, we need to do the analysis of your weaknesses. So once you analyze your weaknesses, okay, so these are my weakness, these are the weakness for my business, and if you change it, if you improve it, you can move forward. So first would be, what do other organizations do better than you, right? So if you want to grow in the market, you have to check the other organizations, what they are doing, what best they are doing. So you can check and apply that in your business. Next, what elements of your business add little or no values? If you start analyzing and if you see there are some items, there are some elements in your business which are adding some little amount of profit or good values in your business, not uh, good enough the value in your business, you can remove it or you can try to improve them, right? And what do competitors and customers in your market perceive as your weakness? And if you know that some customers, if you know, most of the time when customer come, they tell you itself that this could be better, item could be more in quality, and though should be, or in quantity. If somebody's getting items more, then you can get a lot of amount of that particular item, so you can get. So in other term, I would say the customers and your competitor as well would let you know sometimes that these things can be improved, so you can look after those points as well. And when it comes to the threat, the last threat analysis, so in SWOT analysis, the point, there's a threat. So what political, economical, social, cultural, or technological changes are taking place that could be unfavorable to you? Means as you have done the best analysis in to check the opportunities, you can also check if these the political, economical, social, cultural, and technological factors are changing. And most of the time, if government policies are changing, some social cultural rules are changing, new technologies are coming in the market, that could be your threat. If you don't follow them, if you don't use the new technologies, it could be a threat for your business, because if somebody else use those technology, they can go forward and you would be there only. So it is very, very important to check for the threats as well. Next would be, what restraint do you face? What is your competition doing that could negatively impact you? If there is some kind of competition in the market, if you have somebody who is the same level competitor with you, so you have to check what they what kind of negative impact could be on you by them. So you have to be very careful in that case as well. And here is you have to write down all this. This could be the kind of structure where you can write it down as per your business. What do you think would be the strength for your business? Just it could be just a small activity. You just think for a small business plan, write down the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. That this topic would be more clear to you. Unless you do by yourself, you won't learn anything. So, as I have just explained, all the parts strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So, you should go to each and every section and start writing it. So, once we do this activity in the class, I would appreciate if you all do this activity. That this could be a structure, I would say, that would help you to analyze, do the SWOT analysis. Strength and SWOT analysis, strength and weakness, listing all feature of a company relating to critical success factor. What are the factors by which your company is getting success? Just write it down. Critical success factor are those strengths and weaknesses that most critically affect an organization's success. These can be measured relative to competition. And based on fact, you can write down the strengths and weaknesses. And when it comes to the opportunity and threat, manager need to identify the main threat and opportunity that the company faces. It is very, very important to check what all the main threats and opportunity are there to grow in the business. The purpose of the analysis is to make the manager anticipate important developments that can have an impact on the firm. So it is very important to analyze and try to improve on that particular areas. When it comes to opportunity and threat, potential factor that can lead to opportunity and threat, economic climate, demographic changes, technology, market, competitive activity, demographic changes, and politics, etc. Opportunities occur when an environment trend play to a company's strength. This is a class activity, the only feature of the hotel. Put each of the feature in the appropriate boxes. So new dining facilities. So these are the points which is given, and on the right hand side there is a box SWOT analysis where it says strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So what you all have to do, these are the points. You have to segregate these points as strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. What do you think would be the strength? What do you think would be the weakness, opportunity, and threat? That's the activity of 10 minutes. I would appreciate if you start doing this activity. It means once we start study in the class, I would like you all to do this activity. These are the answers I will show you for now. So here is one video that would show you the test score SWOT analysis. Okay, for the detailed one, you can have a look with this. Now, competitive analysis. What do you mean by competitive analysis? It's called the competitive analysis. It's a process of identifying and evaluating your competitors' strategies, strength, and weaknesses. If you think there are some kind of competitors in the market from your field, so what you can do, you can check for, you can evaluate the strategies, strength, and weaknesses. Okay, in that way you can improve. It helps you compare your business to other in the industry and find potential advantage and barriers in the market. Okay. What is competitive advantage? Competitive advantage refer to the way that a company can produce goods or deliver service better than its competitor. A competitive advantage is something that cannot be easily replicated and it is exclusive to a company or business. This value is created internally and is what set the business apart from its competition. There are some kind of examples, as I have explained you already. You have to keep in your mind that these are the competitive advantages. The example of competitive advantage. Example of competitive advantage is an Amazon fulfillment network. Nowadays, everybody knows what is Amazon. They have got a lot of items. You just name it and you would get it in Amazon. because they know how to be in the market, how to survive in the market, how to capture the market. This enable the company to offer faster and more reliable delivery than many of its competitors, because they do their competitive analysis. They follow it. Amazon has invested heavily in its fulfillment network. There is a huge network of Amazon, which includes warehouse, distribution center, transportation, infrastructure, and many more. By leveraging this network, Amazon can offer customer free 2-day shipping on millions of products, as well as the same day, even 2-hour delivery in the same area. That would help them grow a lot, because they have gained the people's confidence. Whenever you shop, they would give you option to same day delivery, 2 hour after 2 hours delivery, next day delivery. Even if you need to pay a little bit more just to get these exclusive offers, exclusive options, but it is possible for Amazon to do all those kind of things. The fast and reliable delivery has helped Amazon attract and retain customers even in the face of fierce competition. Is it like that or not? You just think and tell me, because everybody knows Amazon nowadays, and whenever you shop, you would get your parcel on time. So that is the customer satisfaction they get, and the people love to order from them again and again. Now, when it comes to the example of competitive advantage comes in many shape and sizes. They include, but are not limited. Some of the following are like access to natural resource not available to competitors, highly skilled labor, strong brand awareness, access to new proprietary technology, and price leadership. Now here we have Porter's 5 forces. These are the 5 forces which would help you to analyze what is going in the market. So here we have threat of new entrance, supplier bargaining power, internal competition, threat of substitutes, and customers bargaining power. So here as well, you can analyze your business and you can grow. Like in a way, Potter's 5 forces. First would be threat of new entrants. Whenever you are in the business, if you are planning to start, if you are already in the business, this point, the threat of new entrants will be always there, because nowadays everybody wants to start a business. There are a lot of new entrepreneurs are there in the market. So every time, whenever a person is starting a new business, that will be a threat for your business. So that's that supplier bargaining power. Most of the time, 98% of time, supplier would bargain with you. They have the power to bargain. If you fulfill their requirement, if you are okay with them, it's fine. Otherwise, they have got a lot of options. So they always bargain with you and try to keep uh, keep you in their pace, so they can bargain with you, and you have to deal with it. Internal competition, it is internal competition or rivalry, it is also an important part. Internal means there could be a different factors for internal competition. Threat of substitute as well. If you have something with you and somebody else is selling the same item with the different name, but the taste is same, if it is a food or a grocery thing, that would be the substitute. Like if we have a lot of coffee chain in the market, coffee shops in the market, everybody is selling the coffee, the same item, but in different prices with different brand name and all those things. So customer has got a lot of options. So they have got the substitute. If they don't want to come to you, they go to somewhere else. And if they don't like it there, they would go somewhere else. So they have got a lot of option in the market. Customer bargaining power. Yes, customer has also got the power to bargain. If they don't like the price of your shop, they would go to someone else. And if they don't like there, they would go somewhere else. They have got a lot of options, and they can bargain as well, that we are getting this item in this price and you're selling in this price. We want this in that price. This would also be there in the market. So by that as well, you can also check. Threat of rivalry, when it comes to threat of existing market competitors, when it comes to threat of rivalry, as I was about to mention here, this one, internal competition means rivalry. Threat of existing market competitors. What is their strategy in the market, how they respond to the market, how well they are and how strong they are in the market. You can check and analyze yourself. Threat of new entrants. Think about the new entrants to the market, how strong you are in terms of defending any new entrants to the market. What are your weak points and factors which can be challenged by the new entrants? How easily any new company can enter to your market and give you tough competition. When it comes to the threat of substitute product, how easy is for customer for finding your product substitute? It is very easy. What type you have taken, what steps are you have taken to avoid these situation? How strong is your product? If your product is strong, people would come to you again. That would be a customer retention. It is very important to be a seller or a business person who can provide quality product, and customer would definitely come back. Threats of buyer bargaining power. Think about who are your buyer and what options they have in the market in comparison to your product. How easy is for them to move to another option and what orders they can give you. What are the cost of other similar product and how accessible are those products for them. Threat of supplier power. Supplier work as a backbone for any business. If they stop supplying you the raw material, you can't the raw material or the material for your business, you can't move. This is important to think about supplier. Think about the supplier power, increasing price of producing or reducing quality. The supplier could increase the price of the product. The supplier can reduce the quality of the product, so you have to be very careful while choosing your supplier. There's another activity that you pick any company and conduct the Potter's 5 courses as we have just discussed, and it would be a 15-minute activity. And next week you will be learning the next module. I would let you know next time. Thank you so much for your time. Bye. Take care.